Hello. I'm still. What do you mean? I'm still. I just changed my setup. It looks darker over there than I expected. But, I mean, I rotated it. It's not that big of a deal. But I changed it, and I'm trying to get things to be a little bit better. And I'm gonna try to go to stream more often. I'm still working on my videos. I'm still doing all that stuff. I just trying to see about getting into a schedule. I mean, at the moment I don't have much better to do except for that. So I was thinking about doing maybe some like there's like co-working kind of streams, as it were. But it'll be game dev. It'll be all those things, and I'd be working on it. I'll share my screen, or else I'll just leave it here. I was thinking about building, like today, we're gonna just build some streams tools. And I thought that'd be cool. We're gonna connect Godot to like StreamerBot. I don't know. I was thinking about doing some cool stuff. At least that's my thought. It could suck in the end. I kind of feel like it's kind of washing out my face. It looked good before, but I kind of feel like just maybe should like yeah, there we go. Reduce that just a bit. 1, 2. I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's way, way, way better. Anyway, welcome. I'm just going for a chill day because I'm just a chill guy. Yeah. So, let's see. Going to. We'll go like this. Okay, things are mostly working. Ooh, look at that cut. My hands just disappear and reappear. What in the world? NVIDIA. What are you doing? Is it really just enable and disable? That's crazy. I feel like ooh, what the heck? Oh, that's right. So this is really annoying. If you leave their app open and it starts spinning like this, they're like, we'll just time out your lights. And I'm like, dude, knock it off with my lights. Threshold? Is that what I'm looking for? That might be better. I don't know. Quality. I think performance might actually be the better way to go. You know what? Maybe we just turn it off. And then I just shrink this image a little bit. Maybe we just go the route of turning off this. I think it's fine. I don't really need it to be green screened or whatever. I think it's fine. Anyway, that's not why you're here. You're not here. I mean, granted, I am just fixing the stream stuff because I moved everything and set up proper key lighting, I think. We're finding out. Anyway, I figure I'd build the stream stuff. At least that's my plan. Yeah. So I figure I'll just work on this. Cool. I think everything's looking good from there. It's good. Alright, and then this should technically turn off the music completely. Okay, good. Good. Okay. You do enjoy stream stuff? Awesome. Hey, Urban. I know that's very... so what I'd like to do today is make this screen cooler. I've got some game ideas. I wanted to build like a game dev portal so that when I'm doing some like co-working kind of things, or I'm just building stuff and it's not very interesting, and I was thinking about this, some of the stuff I need to build, I need to like watch a tutorial, but I don't want that tutorial to get like copyright, and then I have like a copyright issue, and then I have to deal with like demonetization and all this junk. So I figured if it was like, because I can control the audio for like the browser versus music and all that, if I could be like watching that, working on it, and not have it be a copyright issue, and be like, hey, I'm doing this, focused on this, and it not be an issue. Because I think if I streamed more, showed more of what I'm doing in the background, working on videos, doing all this stuff, and we just kind of hang out. That's the way I see it. I'm gonna try to do that more often, and because it's all a journey. So I figured, why not? So, that would be the plan today. We've got this really cool program that's called StreamerBot, and I can have like actions that occur. I want to create like a little TTS thing that shows up. Like that's a to-do list. So I think that one of the first things is to create a to-do list of things we want to build, and then just work on it. I gotta sneeze. I think. Maybe. I do. I think it's gone. Alright. Okay. Let me create a new project here. New folder. Stream improvements. Ideas. And then can I just... I think I can actually just pull this out. Yeah, here we go. We can close this guy. Alright. So I want to do a game dev portal, so that if I am working on something tutorial, like etc. No, you can keep people engaged without copyright issues. Because yeah, that's what we do here. What else? Let's think about. Oh, we need to connect. We did do this thing. We connect Godot to StreamerBot, and then YouTube side. Okay. Tues was this on. She would jump in chat if she was not at work. Hey, that's totally fine. Sucks that she's been having to go in at like all the crazy times, but it's all good. I appreciate all of you. do game portal. Alright. I haven't decided if I want to do like Pomodoro or those kinds of things. But I also don't want it to like take up the stream. Oh, I need to check also. How's this looking? Do I have... Yeah, I've got these chats appearing. I don't know if I saw them. No, I wasn't looking at it. I guess it's gone. But I think chat's supposed to show up below. I don't know. Don't let her 50 you. Yeah, well, okay, you just sent a message, but it doesn't... Interesting. I'm supposed to have the chat message. I thought I fixed that. Okay. Mainly it was to keep YouTube and Twitch so you could see messages from either chats from above, but oh well. It's all good. I ain't gonna call anybody out. People need to protect their time, make sure they have the time they want, need, even if it's just to like chill in bed, be lazy. It's good for you to have those mental days. Alright, I always do this where it's called game. We need to decide. What are the things people like to do? I'd like to be able to connect and do different like animations too. And then I can build animations within Godot. Because here, it's basically like StreamerBot sends signal to Godot. I guess that's the question of what can it do? Create signal. Let's see. Core. I wonder if I can add. We should look at the documentation. Streamer.bot. How do we create? Can I extend it? Ooh. Ooh, we should do the TTS as well. All right, so I'll add that here. I'll go, Godot, TTS. Deck. Extensions. How do I build my own? Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, so. Does it already exist? No. Okay. Oh, there is a web socket. Ooh, we could just do web sockets. Yeah. So we can have Godot start a no. We'll have StreamerBot start a web socket. Then Godot can subscribe to it. And then listen for events. And then we could put things like chats and TTS and all that. We can animate all of it. Okay. So we can make this our program that just does it. and then I'll host it. I guess I could, if it's running. I am kind of concerned that the other thing wasn't showing, so hopefully my alerts work, but it'd be cool to replace even the alerts and everything with this and just do it all from game dev style. Then I can build them, animate them in like Sprite, and we could build our own animations using our own game dev assets, which would be kind of cool. All right, so let's worry about the subscribe thing. So this is actually really easy. We'll go here, and we'll just add a. We'll go Godot, and we'll just make it endpoint Godot, and we'll go make it leet. All right, and then we're just gonna start this guy. Okay, cool. It's running. All right, and let's go ahead and add this. And docs. Socket. Alright, so then I'll just I don't like that it's not letting me do this the way I want it. Windows sometimes annoys me. And by sometimes, almost constantly. Here, I'll put that underneath. Good. Now I can just do something like this. Extends node. Let's turn on our fancy little plugin that I like to use. And settings. I actually don't like global shake. I don't like any of the shaking. Kind of like how I don't like motion blur. Alright, export. What's going on? We need to see what's up with this. There we go. Oh, I don't need a full screen either. Ah, that's what I need. We'll go with streamer, font, socket. Pretty sure it's just a single, because we're not doing anything. Slash Godot. Here.new. should just use stream URL. I think that's better. We'll be verbose. Streampod URL. If pair does not equal okay. I really want to copy this all the way. We'll make this better after. It's all about, like, just get it done, and then we'll make it better. Hit tree. Timer. 2 seconds. Timeout. I don't even know if it knows. So now that I've got these WebSocket servers, what is the response we need? Let's go to docs, guide, WebSocket server. Samples. Okay, so we can follow. Okay, sick. So we'll do that. But yeah, so we could how do I want to do this? Events. So where are all of the events? Commands. Trigger cooldown. Custom. My request ID. This general custom. Speech to text. Interesting. But I could do all of it. And then connect it with that like Aseprite plugin. We can just animate cool stuff. Okay. Because if we export it to like a web and then have that run in like a container, and then we can just run that. And then I don't have to worry about like Streamlabs not running or all those issues that I run into. And we can do our own thing. Oh, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. All right. So what we want to do, JSON.stringify. Subscribe to events. So yeah, we'll just want to see. Yeah, that technically works. What's that about? Oh, because you want it like a real JSON. And if I just... Does this work? No. Ooh, but that works. And then I can just take away the JSON.stringify because it's already stringified. Oh, it's one more. Okay. Jeez. Then we can be able to get control for it. I think that works. We got that. We've got... Oop. I kind of wish it would just stay together, but... Okay, so subscribes. And then on process, we're gonna... pull it. Ready state, if state equals socket peer here. Bin. While socket dot count. Data socket get packet get string from ASCII, or is it UTF-8? UTF-8. It's so weird that it's like I'd like to like close this. Ugh. If the state WebSocket appeared closed. Socket close code. WebSocket closed with. Determine if it's clean. Interesting. Okay. Set process, which I'll probably change in the future. Alright, well, let's see if this works. I missed something. It's possible to send anything back. Oh, here's available. Listens for remote connections. Well, I don't want to. Yeah, I want the client example. New connect. Turn failed. Output. If the error does not equal okay. That's why can't I type? What is up with my keyboard? I just want to see what the error is. 0. So connected? Wait for the socket to connect. There is 0. Okay. I feel like I've done this before. Oh, wait. No. I need to do this. That was probably why. Look, the error isn't there. Now, it doesn't return anything because we didn't say, like, get subscriptions. We just said subscribe. Now, we need something else from Twitch. Yeah. Follow, cheers, sub, reset. Okay, well. Let's see what else we can do. We need something. Oh, you know what? Let's go to StreamerBot. And follow. Twitch. Where are you? Yeah, follow. Okay. So I've just created this like trigger to see if a channel is followed, or like someone is followed. And I think I should be able to test it. Random username. I guess maybe it's probably listening to for sure. I can't simulate it. That's gonna be a problem. We should be able to simulate it. Hey Loki, thanks for the follow. Did you unfollow and follow? I don't know why it says first words. You did not. Oh, okay. Well, thank you for the follow. Also proves that my follow system isn't, my like alerts aren't working, which is weird because I don't like that. I don't like that at all. There's nothing. We should make sure that's working. Stream elements make me sad. Besides, we're gonna be like, see, this is actually the reason I'm gonna be replacing all of this, because I feel like it's never consistent. Like, I had to look at the event feed to see that you followed, but nothing popped up. And it's not the first time this has happened. I'd rather just be like, run my system and it works. I've been following, I mean, like, about, no, that's fine. I'm building my own Godot thing hooked up into StreamerBot, then do a bunch of cool stuff like game dev portal and like different ways to do Gamba and like get channel points and connect it to another system that I'll be doing for like courses. And I'm just annoyed that anytime this is like, this is actually the other thing. Anytime I've ever used any of these alerting systems, they're all the same and they all like don't run reliably. And then this way I can have the bot. This thing can also check like YouTube and Twitch, and so then it can post in Discord, like when I live or I post videos or when new things are happening. And so let me put those in the ideas as well. Post Discord when new video live, etc. So, but I should be able to like simulate the event, which might be something more. I could probably leaving a name is considered a catch-all. It will trigger any custom event name. So we can probably like create a bunch of custom ones. Yeah, it could also be that Twitch is just being Twitch. Yeah, I don't know. This other system seems to be weird too. Oh, you know what? It's weird. So, okay. Here, I'll show you what I'm looking at. So I've got this here, right? And it says you followed the channel here. But when I look here, it doesn't show you did. Like, it's not right. I don't know. I guess all the systems are not reliable. Either way, it's good to see you. Okay. So. We got this. Where is... Alright, let's drag to events. So this tells us we want to do an action. So we could probably even like send it like a simulate button to test things if we wanted. Huh, response format. We did not get... We should do this. We should do request get all events and see what happens. Socket send text. Ugh. And then comment that out for a second. Because notice we something's not right. Yeah. Been following for a while. Yeah. I think it was an issue with StreamerBot, not Twitch. So StreamerBot was like, you messaged, it goes, first words, you followed, and I was like, well, that's weird. But Twitch says it's fine, so I think it's the StreamerBot program itself, for whatever reason. See if we can find... Okay, well that search was pointless. Okay, so what we should probably do... Wow. I appreciate that's pretty close to when I started. April, May, June, July, like 3 months after I started. That's pretty awesome. So open is 1, so the connection is open and ready to communicate. So it's ready. Well, I appreciate the follows from even then, and I'm glad that you're sticking around. How have things been? Well, get available account. I feel like this while loop is an issue. Returns, well, I guess if it's 0, and it goes away, but then... Maybe it's just like not... Fail. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so... I think I'm using that same thing for my VPET game. Yeah. Yeah, StreamBot's cool. But it's all these like other web apps that I'm having issues with. And when it works great. When it doesn't work, oh, it fails bad. Like just about everything. So maybe what I should do is be like var... let me do this. Oh, wait a minute. Can I just do this? Will that comment the whole thing out? No. Forget if there's a thing for it. How is your game going? Is there a way to see? You have so many active. Well, I was meaning the virtual pet one or VPET. Syntax error. Error. Okay, so there was no error. Is it this guy? Well, do you feel like you're making any progress with any of them? Stop. Up to 70 Digimon. Still need to finish up the evolutions. Dang. Nice. You know, I could just stop that, and I could go here and do the same thing. And I want to add an infant. Yeah, I'll do it. Hey, look at that. So the WebSocket was the issue. So we'll look back at one, data. Got everything, didn't it? Good. Yeah. Clear this. Do some pretty. Like that. But under the. Looks weird from what I remember. Okay. Yeah, we got YouTube as well. So YouTube, you won't be left out in the dark. It's the nice part. I can combine, like, I can show things, whether it's a Twitch alert or a YouTube alert. So we can, I just want to update it so it looks cool. We'll make a little scene and everything for it. But we could do animations, bring them into an animation player. I think that'd be cool. So I think I need to I work best with like a whiteboard style. Create new drawing. Let's make it white. Dark mode, please protect my viewer's eyes. Okay. So we have okay. So we have our streamer bot, and it's pretty cool because it'll listen to Twitch and like YouTube and send our events here, which is awesome, which means I don't have to rewrite this. And so what I want to do is have our Godot bot subscribe WebSocket. and then send events. So that way, I think and then the Godot bot can just be a full screen web page, as it were, and then it can run different things to appear. You have different layers. So that we could have like alerts. Could be like a whole scene and they can do their own thing and we can just have it layered on top. Which means we should build a queue. Because I think it'd be cool if, like, I could even have events send and say some require, like, what's the kind of event it's called? Like, say it's a TTS event, which I guess we'd probably go like streamer bot to speaker bot, which is made by the same company. That comes here because I want a little Godot dude to start talking. But there's a queue already in here. So we've got like actions, there's like an action queue. And so action history. Yeah, so like here's the things that I sent. And so it knows I can like simulate those kind of things. So for instance, we can add an action. Here, let's add a queue. Let's call it a game queue. Say we redeem enough points for yeah. Oh, how I gotta think about what it is. Basically, I wanted a trigger to say, hey, it's time to like change it up. Let's do like a Wordle, as it were. Or some other game. It just shows up on screen because maybe I'm looking up something, I'm reading something, and you're like, let's just do this, and then it like appears. And that way you'd be like saying things in chat, and you'd be doing those things. But then have it where if you're just chatting generally, and it goes away, it doesn't like start feeding into that system. So like I wanted to work as a flag, and like that's the queue, the thing. And then this could feed in and say, hey, you've got 6 rights, so now your channel points go up. And we can use channel points and stuff for future fun things too. Like I want to make things valuable and worth it. So if we add game queue, stream games. We'll go game dev, or what is it? Maybe GameDel or G Dev. GD. I don't know. Game dev. These freaking spam texts. Okay. So there's cues here. Yeah, I don't know if I want a queue then. If I can have StreamerBot use its queue. So let's just see if we can play some Wordle and then we'll get the alerts working. Which, that reminds me, we're going to use Kenny's assets. Because he's got a really cool text one. I looked for it before. Because there's a rune pack, but there's like a similar thing to runes. Yeah, I think it's these guys. So I was like, hey, we'll go here. And then we're going to modify them. What the heck is that? That's my anti-docs thing. Okay, we got this. Downloads. Bring this back. Where did it? Where is that? Where is this? Assets. Oh. It's not where I wanted it to be. Calling it Gandalf because sure. And then this is gonna be, what is it? It's 256. Okay, that's fine. Open a whole folder and then this is gonna take a while. thinking let's keep it simple. Okay. And then save as what's the movie? How's this work? It's the right letter, wrong place. So it's wrong place. And then we'll go save as. Oh, you know what we could do? Let's go back to the letter A. And then get rid of this. And then let's turn it into an ASPIRITE file. And then I think we can reset the palette. Edit palette. Or default palette. Cool. And then we'll go here and we're gonna say right letter, wrong place. And then there, right letter, right place. New layer. Wrong letter. Right letter, wrong place is green. This is light. And then maybe in between. So this is actually the lightest, so we'll go lightest. And in between. And then darkest. Yeah. And then we can just clean these guys up here. And this will be the start of the stream where we kind of just chill and paint. Had to make sure my shuffle was enabled. gets me the wrong music, and then it's like, we suggest this, and I'm like, no, but I can't listen to that. So let me like. So I want me to do this. Did I do that? I think it looks better if it's maybe just the regular green. Because then I'm gonna have to do this for like all of them. I'll make that white. Yeah, I think that's good. I figure if I get the game dev world thing done while I work on other aspects, you guys can just spam it. You can improve it. Also lets me see like how well it works. Then we could also have the fun part of having the released version in a container and figure out how we get that working. I just feel like this is an issue. that, right? Yeah. I guess that's supposed to be all green. Alright, I mean, I guess it's not that big. It is literally just... Alright. Do this, and then we're gonna go gray. We'll go a little bit lighter. We'll go... should probably go up higher. Put it there. 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 I guess it's more blue, isn't it? If it makes sense like that. Yeah. I think that's right. Should we make the letter black? So when it's wrong? Forget. What Wordle is like. I see. Because I feel like maybe black is not right. I mean, not white is not good, but like maybe black is better. Oh, it looks like it's doing that, but you're not. See how it like messes with the pixels here? We should see when it doesn't. Okay, so now we've got the right letter, wrong place, right letter, right place, and wrong letter. We've got our little palette here. Which is good, because then I can actually come back to you. And I'm going to create another new UD. I'm going to call it Gamedle. And it'll be its own scene in the end. And then I'm going to go asset lid and go for Ace Sprite Wizard. Project settings. Let's enable it. I think. Editor settings, Ace Sprite. Okay, so it's still there. Good, good. It should auto find it. We'll see. And so, big. I don't know how I do this. There it is. Ace Sprite file. Image. I guess we're gonna get animation. I also need to have a better modding system. Animation. Does that work? Ah, so that's why it auto tries to do it, but it's wrong. It's wrong. Let's see. Editor settings. There we go. Can't update this? Does it? Shoot. Animation tree. Because then we're gonna need to do I want all layers. Animation. Oh, hey! How's it going? I have a certain plugin installed. Thanks for updating the settings. A while ago. I think it was a while ago. But how's it going? Trying to remember how I set this up. I could do it, man. Do I have to do it manually? Is animation too? The animation sprite animation. Ugh, animated sprite 2D. And I saw a video of yours. Yeah, well, things have been crazy, so I haven't streamed that often, so it's totally fine. Yeah, no worries there, man. Oh, okay, so I can just do this, right? This will be way easier, if I remember right. And then I should just be able to import. If I click all, it should do all of them. Are you working in CS or game dev? Like my full-time job, you mean? My dog is on high alert. So I was working full-time. I got laid off November, but I was in computer science. I was working at a software company. I worked there for like 14 years, but I've touched everything from C++ to React to C# to web servers to Python to Nomad to Docker containers. It was in the finance industry. It's all right. I'm looking for new stuff, but I'm also seeing about taking this full time. I want to go game dev full time, which is a goal of mine. I want to make this work out. I want to make it where indie studios can have the tools that pros have. Trying to like level set AAA and indie studios is like my dream. I want to be a pillar for good in the game dev industry. And this is maybe that sign of like, just do it. So I'm trying to go live more often, make more videos, and honestly take everything that I know, which is 15 years professionally, 20 years on my own because I'm self-taught. I went to school for computer science as well, but I was doing it way back before. I started before object-oriented was even a thing. Yeah, I'm an ambitious person, and sometimes it overwhelms me, and then that's why a video doesn't come out on time. But I'm also trying to figure it all out, because I don't have editors that I can say, hey, just make this video for me. But yeah, it is what it is, and it's totally fine. And right now, I was just so annoyed with the alert system with like stream elements and all these. I was like, well, why not just build my own alert system and we'll do a thing? Because I think showing people the journey is a really good thing. Because a lot of what I do, I like build a project and I'll build a demo project, and then I have a whole ton of learning to get to there. I then show off the finished product, and so no one really gets to see that process to get to there. And I think I might use my streams for that, so you guys can see all the like background behind the scenes stuff, and then I'll even see about making videos on stream. But try to do that full time. And then when I'm doing anything that's like copyright concern, so like if I'm like watching tutorials on Blender or things that they've said, like, because I use like CG Cookie and I know them, they're cool that I show clips, but I can't show like full tutorials. I also don't want to like mess with demonetization on YouTube if I'm like literally watching a YouTube video on my YouTube channel live, stuff like that. So I figure this will work as like things to do in the background. I'll switch to a different screen, or I'll have it somewhere else, but like you guys can do cool stuff while I'm live, and then jump back into like Blender and Substance and all that kind of stuff. But I figured it'd be fun to do it. I've got a little bit of time. I got a good severance, so I'll either find something new, but I'm gonna keep doing this. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Just started out CS 2 years ago, about 1.5. Yeah, you never stop studying. You just learn new things to study on, has been my experience. Same as scene. Hey, Firewolf. I'm good. How are you? I am annoyed that I feel like animated sprite, if I say all layers and not just one, it should be like... So I am working on I'm using StreamerBot. Yeah. Thanks, Cups. Hang out anytime. You're always welcome. All of you are welcome. Cool. See you later, my friend. I'm building a... so I use StreamBot for a lot of my events. I'll be here. I'm going to be here more often. I was annoyed by alerts don't work all the time. I figured, how hard would it be to connect Godot to my streamer bots? Then I can send events. It'll be a place to do all my alerts. And I was going to build a little Wordle-like game, but do it for game dev. And so it'll have dynamic length, and you can like enable it, and it could use chat. And then if you get it right, or for every letter you get right, it'll like add a little bit of points, and then those will be given to you from like your channel points. And if you're on YouTube, I'm sorry, but you'll get the word right. I'm not English, so if I don't understand, don't be mad. Okay, I am never gonna be mad. My goal is to bring game dev wherever whoever wants to see it. So feel free to learn, ask questions. This is all behind the scenes. I'm working on stuff instead of just working on it behind the scenes. So you're not going to make me mad unless you start posting links to 5 views. Then you get immediately banned. So as long as you're not a spammer, hang out, lurk. You don't even have to chat. This is a chill place to just hang out. Yep. All good. Should post that back up. I need to put when ads appear. They used to have a little ad thing. I'm kind of annoyed. Why can't... Ooh, does this work? Can I do this? Does this work? Can I do this? It creates a do one. Hey, welcome back. I used to have this thing that would like pop over on my screen that was like ad started, but I'm working on getting all my systems put together. And I figured, why use something that's used everywhere, and why not build it myself? And be a fun learning adventure. So I'm putting alerts, I'm building everything, and I'm funneling it into Godot. And we're gonna do a little Portal-like game. If this thing is gonna work, which it's not working the way I want it to. So if I export a sprite sheet, can I see what that look? Okay, so that's not what I wanted. Export as sheet. Oh, that's the preview. I want to start Godot. Do you have any good video to start or something? There's tons on YouTube. There's a great one from Bracky. I've got a few from Godot 3. I don't really have an intro video, but there are so many of them. The Godot documentation is pretty good too. My recommendation is to start small, like everyone else. But like, when you think got something small, go even smaller. Cut that idea in half, and then build it. If you want to show a thing on screen that goes across, perfect. You're done. That's great. Learn about movement, learn about process and physics process. You don't have to jump into 3D. You can start with 2D. Do what resonates with you. Oh, you know what? I think this is why. Hold on, save. You're welcome. If I do this, I go all import. Nope. Okay. Hey, it actually is. Whoa. Just realized. Let me also fix this. I don't like that. I started videos, browser, learn. Godot can work. Yeah, I can. It depends on like what your goals are, though. Like, it could also put you in a place where you're like, that's not what I was looking for. So you need to know what you want and then just work on that. Like, master one thing at a time. Yeah, like, do you want to work on movement? Do you want to work on... I think that might be better. Okay, so now the text shouldn't be as crumpled in your chat. Yeah, there we go. A little bit better. Although I might just like create a nice little place for you guys to be chatting in. To get things to appear, go from there. Yeah. They have a really good, like, simple 2D. Alright. Putting on the documentation, but yeah, mine was like, I want to have a character that runs around. Like, I want to know how to move back and forth. And then you just get better at it. Make small, attainable goals. Don't be like, I'm going to make an MMO in like 48 hours. Don't. Know your limits. Know when you don't know something. And then when you don't know something, break it down until you figure out what the next action is. If you want to know how to move, like, okay, well, how do you do distance? Okay, well, how do you do velocity? Okay, is it a rigid body or a character body? What's the difference? Do you want it to be affected gravity, or do you want it to be like platformers? Okay, you want more platformers. Okay, you'll want a character body 2D. You'll also find references to kinematic body, which they're the same thing. The difference is Godot 3 versus 4. Like, you'll run into those things, and as you just play with it, the more you're in the saddle, as it were, the more it'll start to click. You'll be like, I got it. Let me try this again. Oh, this split layers. Ah, there we go. I'm just gonna do this. Where did it put it? Wait a minute, did it? Wait. Wait, did it work and I just didn't realize it? Hold on. Import. Letter A. Okay, so I don't think so. We delete those. Where did it put it? Output. Oop. Letter A sheet. Okay, cool. Now I can just do this. Just delete it. And we'll hop into here. We'll go like that. We're gonna go with 1. We'll go with 3. Bam. There we go. And we'll just do that. And then we'll go hbox container. Boom. And that way, as we add things, layout, containers as, oops. My nose keeps being itchy. What the heck is this? Transform 000. And then speakers. Oh, that's right. Its position is center and uncontrolled. Sometimes it just needs center. And this center. What's it not happy about? Why is it on the top corner? It's because it needs the offset, maybe? Yeah, this... Don't like the way that's working. Horizontal. You know what we might need? Grid container. That's probably what we need. And that way... we can easily say like 5 columns. Minimum. And so then if I do... that's because the center position is there. So I have I created like a, like an inventory thing. I should probably like look at that. How did I write that? I'm gonna do one on like Big O. Yeah. So, this isn't working the way the other one was. So I defined a slot. You know what we also need? We need an empty slot. File, save as. We'll with letter underscore empty. And then right like this. Ooh, there's a green there. Letter empty. Yes, that's fine. He goes, yeah. Well, thanks for the follow. Yeah, this is just a chill stream. Hey, my alerts are actually working. Thank you. Oh, I don't think I heard it. Need to let my dog outside. He's going a little crazy. Is that right? You go outside. Yes. He's my co-worker at the moment. All right, I'll be right back. Okay. And I'm going to turn off this filter thing. It doesn't seem to be working, so I'm just going to delete it. Which means I'll have to fix Stream Deck on it. But that'll be a thing I'll deal with later. I realize I only have like 13 minutes left, and instead of dealing with this container issue, I think I'll just work on the letters. Like so. Letter A, we'll have that, and then we'll just... I don't need to save that. Alright, and then we're going to open letter B. Save as a sprite. And then we're going to reset palette. And then we're going to go with this, right letter, wrong place. Which maybe I'll rename, so it's like right letter, wrong place. That's like right letter, wrong place. This can be... Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, so this is just wrong letter. Right letter, right place. Right letter, wrong place. And so do a new letter. Right letter, right place. We'll go with wrong letter. I'll do this. I'll go wrong letter. And then it's right letter, right place. That way it's the same. Right? Yeah, they're the same. Oh, wait. Why is this white? I don't like this color for it. And I just erase this. And we don't need to worry about gradients, it's just a Wordle game. right letter, right place. So this is this. It sounds like the 3D text we'll have to probably get rid of. If I think about it. I'm getting rid of it here before I get rid of it so there's no shadow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and fix that. I'm just going to like replace it. Just realizing like me getting rid of shadowing. It's like, okay. All right, sweet. So this will be a norm, and I'm trying to make it more balanced. So Wednesday. Probably need more of this, honestly. definitely need... Yeah, it's better. No. I thought it was done. Just rushed into it. And just like, nope. Sweet. And then let's go back to this guy. And be like, fine. Hey, fish are in this light. No, time's up already. Since when? I just started. Responsibilities. Alright, so I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to try is the operative word. Monday through Friday, 9 to 3 is the plan. And when I'm ahead of schedule, we'll game on Wednesdays. But since I'm behind and I need to get stuff done, we're going to have more of this. We're going to get all our alerts for stuff figured out tomorrow. And then, in the meantime, thanks for hanging out for this impromptu stream. Stay awesome. Pretty much this was also a test drive of my new stream setup. Say hello to Shoes. Trying to hide here. But, yeah, now I've hit the hornet's nest, as it were. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out now. I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll make this a regular thing. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you tomorrow. Stay awesome.